Evaluate log 9 base 3 minus log 8 base 2 divided by log 9 base 3. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. We have log 9 base 3 minus log 8 base 2 divided by log 9 base 3. 9 can be written in index form as 3 exponent 2. 8 can be written in index form as 2 exponent 3. And so, log 9 base 3 minus log 8 base 2 divided by log 9 base 3 can be written as log 3 exponent 2 base 3 minus log 2 exponent 3 base 2 divided by log 3 exponent 2 base 3. From logarithm, we know that if we have log b exponent n base a, it can be written as n log b base a. So if we apply this here, then log 3 exponent 2 base 3 can be written as 2 log 3 exponent 3. And in the same way, log 2 exponent 3 base 2 can also be written as 3 log 2 base 2. And log 3 exponent 2 base 3 can be written as 2 log 3 base 3. From logarithm, we know that the logarithm of a number to the same base is 1. So if we have log a base a, the answer is 1. So it means that log 3 base 3 is 1 and log 2 base 2 is also 1. So this will become 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 3 times 1, which is 3, divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. So you have 2 minus 3 divided by 2. 2 minus 3 will give us negative 1. And so this will give us negative 1 divided by 2. So when we evaluate this, we are going to have negative 1 divided by 2. When we look through the options, the correct option is option A, negative 1 divided by 2.